Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Take this pink color of ribbon and cut it. First we're going to make the flower petals. Now using this fire we're going to curve the petals like this and keep it aside. Now we're going to make more such flower petals and we're going to combine all of them on the top of this bulb. Now we're going to take another piece of ribbon, fold it and tie a knot. We are making the hanging here and look, it's done. Put the tassel, tie a knot. You can also put fairy light in place of the bulb and look how pretty this is looking. Take this purple color of crepe paper and make multiple cut on the top of it. After this we are going to fold it from the sides as well. Make more such flowers and tuck all of them on this green wire one after another. You can make it in different colors. Here we are going to need these materials. Let's start it now. First we are going to take this wire and cut it using a plier. Using this empty tube we are going to give it shape like this. Look, the shape is ready. After this we are going to fill it. Now take some cotton, roll the wire on the top of the cotton and paste it like this. Give it shape. After this we are going to take this beautiful fabric and cover the entire wire like this. Tie a knot and cut the extra part and look, your flowers are ready. Make these different sizes of petals. Now we are going to bend the green color of wire and put all the flower petals one after another. Simultaneously we are going to tie them together using this green color of thread. Roll the thread around the stick like this and put those petals one after another. After this we are going to cover it using this brown color of roller tape and look, it's ready. We can make more such beautiful succulents. Here we are going to cut small pieces. Now fold it and using fire we are going to fix those loose ends. Now make more such flower petals and paste it in a straight line. After this we are going to put more such flower petals one after another on the green wire and it's done. We are going to use this green and white color of ribbon, combine them together using fire. Now we are going to fold it, we are going to bend it and make the flower petal using fire. We are going to fix the ends and make more such petals. Make the flower and look, it's ready. We are going to use these colorful ribbons. So untangle the thread and roll it around the green stick like this. Put the leaves and flowers are ready. You can put it in a vase. So cut 3 cm straw like this using straightener. Straight these petals like this and make more such petals. Now paste all of them on the top of this wire. We are going to make the yellow flower by cutting the yellow straw and make more such flowers. You can also make a flower stick and put it in a vase like this. Look how pretty these are looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.